everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Split ends, bald spot, thinning hair, short hair, hair that is breaking, damaged hair. Guess what, guys? Today I have a homemade remedy for you that you can use to get rid of all these hair issues. This remedy will have to regrow your hair, thicken your hair, lengthen that hair. It will also have to get rid of dandruff. It will also have to get rid of split ends. This is also good for bald spot. And guess what? This is all natural. So if you're looking for a quick and easy remedy that you can use in your hair for about a month or so and see extreme length, extreme fullness, extreme thickness to the hair, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this remedy really quick.
I'm using brown rice mixed with white rice. It doesn't matter what rice you use or if you mix a combination of rice together. Now, rice has been used for centuries to regrow the hair. It seeps deep into the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Also, it helps to add extra sheen and bounce to the hair. Rice is good for split ends. Rice is also good for bald spot. Rice is also great for thinning hair. So, if you can make this recipe and you have any of these issues going on, then definitely give this a try. So, what I'm going to be doing with this rice, I'm going to extract the rice starch. And a quick and easy way to extract the rice starch from the rice is to just wash the rice. Now we're going to be washing the rice with cold water. So I'm going to pour about a cup and a half of cold water on the rice, and then I'm going to be washing. Now what I'm going to use to wash this rice is my hands. So just thoroughly wash the rice with your hands. Make sure your hands are clean to begin with. So you're going to just basically scrub the rice, rub it in your hands like I'm showing here, and you're going to do this for about a minute or two depending on the amount of rice that you are using. Now once this is done, we are going to strain, and we're straining because the only part of this rice that we're using is the water. So we're going to strain the rice and then we're going to discard the remainder of rice, or you can choose to use it as a facial scrub. Now once this is done, I am going to be adding a second ingredient to the rice, and this is ginger. Now before we add our second ingredient, let me pour this in the blender since we're going to be blending. Now ginger have amazing properties that when applied topically on the scalp will help to get rid of dandruff. It will also help to get rid of itchy scalp. It will also seep into the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Ginger on the hair is also good for growing the hair much thicker, much healthier, and also much bouncier looking. Also guys, if you have split ends, ginger is amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop the ginger in small pieces. You do not need to peel the ginger since the peel of the ginger contains vital nutrients that is good for your hair. So once I chop this ginger in small pieces, I'm going to place it in a blender along with the rice that we just washed, and we are going to blend. You want to blend this thoroughly to make sure that the ginger is completely blended in the rice water. Now take a look. This is what it looks like after blending. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to be setting this aside with everything, no straining right now. And we're going to set this aside for about 3 days to ferment. You can cover it with a plastic wrap or you can cover it with foil paper. It doesn't matter. What is important is that you do not put this in the refrigerator. So you're going to leave it on the countertop for about 3 days for it to ferment. Also guys, if you have aloe vera gel, you can add a little bit to this while it is fermenting. Now, after 3 days, we are going to reach for it. We're going to give it a stir, and then we are going to strain. And here we have it, our ginger rice water. This ginger rice water is great for Mo's hair. It is going to help to regrow your hair. It's good for bald spot. It is also good for thinning hair. It's also good for split ends and dandruff. Now the way to use this is to apply it directly to your hair. I like to use this in the shower whenever I am washing my hair. You can also choose to pour this in your shampoo. However, the best way to use this is to first wash your hair with your regular shampoo, and then you take the rice ginger water and just totally saturate your hair with it. Make sure to penetrate the root, shake it up, and once your hair is fully saturated with the ginger rice water, I like to just put it under a shower cap or a steam cap. Now you can put it under the steam cap and you can leave it there, walk around with it for about an hour or so, or if you have an ear dryer, you can go sit under the ear dryer for about 20 minutes. Once this is done, you're going to come back and you are going to rinse your hair. At this stage, you can choose to add conditioner to your hair. So just condition your hair and then rinse and you are good to go. Now if you use this at least once per week in your hair, in no time your hair will feel much fuller, much thicker, much healthier, bouncy, and also you definitely will see some length. So continue to use this remedy as often as you wish. Store this in the refrigerator for about 7 days or so. When it is finished, make another batch. Another amazing way to use this rice ginger water, guys, is to mix in some yogurt in this. If you use a quarter cup of rice water to a quarter cup of yogurt, mix together and apply it to your hair, especially your ear root, and cover your hair with your steam cap and leave it on for an hour. It's going to deep condition your hair. So be versatile with it. Use it to wash your hair. Use it to make other ear products such as the deep condition recipe that I just gave you. Just make it your own, but whatever you do, just use the rice water. You can also choose to crack an egg and add about a quarter cup of rice water to the egg, blend it out and use it in your hair as a second recipe for a deep conditioner. Okay. And if you're using the egg or the yogurt remedy, you only need to use this at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. But for the rice ginger water, you can use it at least once or twice per week.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching, guys. If this was your first time watching and you want to see more of these amazing remedies, what you need to do is look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the end there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I post a video. Also at the end of this video, if you just wait for a few seconds, you're going to see other videos that you can watch or that you might be interested in watching. Thank you all for supporting the channel. Continue to support, like, comment, and share. And guess what, guys? Also watch the commercial, guys. Watch them to the end so that I can be able to bring you more amazing homemade remedies. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.